Fiat has two iconic compact models that dominate the city car segment, but each one speaks a completely different language. The Fiat 500 and the Fiat Panda. At first glance, they may seem similar, small, efficient, and practical. But in reality, they're built for two very different types of drivers. Let's break down what truly separates these two popular Fiats. Fiat 500, the retro modern style icon. The Fiat 500 isn't just a car, it's a style statement. Its retro-inspired design, rounded shape, and charming details make it stand out in any city. The 500 mainly attracts young drivers, urban commuters, and anyone who wants something unique, emotional, and visually appealing. Its compact size is perfect for tight European streets, narrow parking spots, and heavy city traffic. Inside, the cabin is minimalistic but stylish, and the materials feel premium for its class. With the mild hybrid versions, the 500 becomes extremely fuel efficient. Its lightweight and responsive handling make it an ideal urban mobility car. Fun to drive, easy to park, and economical to run. Fiat Panda. Practicality first, style second. The Fiat Panda approaches the city car concept from a completely different angle. It's not about retro looks. It's about practicality, functionality, and everyday usability. The boxier shape, higher roofline, and spacious interior make the Panda a smart choice for families, taxi drivers, and anyone who values space over aesthetics. Although it shares similar engine options with the 500, the Panda offers a more upright seating position, a larger trunk, and more headroom. This makes it not only comfortable in the city, but surprisingly capable on longer trips, too. In fact, some Panda models even come with a 4x4 all-wheel drive system, turning this small car into a mini SUV that performs impressively on snow, gravel, or rough terrain. Key differences: design and personality. 500. Retro, stylish, emotional. Panda, practical, functional, purpose-built. Target audience. 500. Young drivers, style seekers. Panda, families, taxi drivers, practical users. Driving feel. 500. Agile and super easy to maneuver. Panda, comfortable, stable, better for longer drives. Space. 500. Compact and cozy. Panda, spacious and versatile. Conclusion: the Fiat 500 is for those who want a car with personality, cute, iconic, and perfect for stylish city living. The Fiat Panda, on the other hand, is the ultimate everyday tool. Reliable, practical, comfortable, and smarter for real-life usage. If you want style and charm, choose the 500. If you want space and functionality, the Panda is the clear winner.